Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create an account on the EA Sports FC25 Companion app. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for EA Sports FC Companion. From the search results, click on the first link. This should be the official website. Once the site loads, click the profile icon in the top right corner and select the Create Account option. This will take you to the sign-in page, where you'll see different sign-up options such as Google, Facebook, Apple or email. Personally, I'm going to sign in using an email address. To do this, choose your region and enter your date of birth, then click Next. Enter your email address, create an EA ID and set a password, then click Next. Check the required checkboxes and click Create Account. Next, you'll receive a verification code at the email address you provided. Enter the code in the designated field and click Next. And that's it. You've successfully created an account on the EA Sports FC25 Companion app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.